even makeup for the ladies there. Talking about Villa and Express, Villa coming to this game, you can say with a very poor form, that is having won only 2 games to their side, and with the fans, the players themselves are in good mood. And their last training yesterday, the Villa players promised, of course, their president, Ben Misaga, that they're ready. Then time would have run by, and you know, the lights and everything, all the problems with Nachibubo, the game then could not, of course, end well. So as it looks, Otai, for the game to start, but the officials already said the game will not be there. Azam was ready, but something wrong with Express, Villa and Azam, because every time the game is going to be
what we're having here. So you can actually see it from the captain of the Jogos. I think the captain of Express is also there. Yeah. Our very own Azam TV.
Probably it would be one match.
Not only the Villa fans, Fiona, even me, I was eagerly waiting for this.
You're
Clive Chelsea there.
Waiting for that.
Yeah, very much eagerly waiting for Express.
Including King and Medi.
Exactly.
Even Simon Katamba.
When